आज हम सीखेंगे कुरकुरे ट्विस्टर्स, अ वेरी स्पेशल, सबसे इजी, बहुत ही इजी 5 minute रेसिपी बाय स्नेहा शुरपाली. So Sneha is online. So let me just bring her on the camera. She'll be this video from Brisbane, Australia. And she's just getting connected. Guys, please do love, like, and share this video. Your love like motivates moms like Sneha to get such
Hello.
recipes daily. Hi Sneha,
Hi.
welcome to Zaika Ka Tadka. Eagerly looking
Thank
forward
you.
to Kurkure Twisters. Yes, I'm so
Yes.
eagerly looking to it. Yes. So
So
let's
here are the
start.
ingredients. I've
Uh-huh.
taken this is chaat masala,
Mm-hmm.
half a spoon of amchur powder, half a spoon of salt, a
Mm-hmm.
pinch of sugar powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and hing. And this
Okay.
is screw pasta. I've just taken them and 2 spoons of corn flour. This is a screw pasta, the spiral pasta, what you call them as.
Acha, the spiral pasta, screw pasta. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Got it.
So what I have done is, to save time, I've already boiled the pasta. I
Mm-hmm.
have taken enough water. I have kept it like I had hot water, and I have put this pasta and just came to the boil. And here you can see they are nicely in texture. They have been boiled.
Mm-hmm.
And after boiling this, I put some cold water in this and a half a spoon of oil. And that's how I have done the procedure. And now what I'll do is I have kept my pan to heat. I've added some oil to them. And here, meantime,
ओके, तो
I'll just
आपने
add.
बॉईल करके रखे हैं. आपने बॉईल करते वक्त से इसमें नमक डाला क्या?
No, nothing I've added.
ओके.
And now I'll add this corn flour to this, a little of it, just to coat them. That's it, not more.
Guys, please do love, like and share this video. कितना सिंपल है. बॉईल कर लिया है पास्ता को और अब उसको पानी निकाल के इसमें हम कॉर्नफ्लावर से कोटिंग कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
ओके.
And yeah, I'll just check if the oil is ready. Yes, the oil is ready.
So इसको अब हम
So
फ्राई
it
कर रहे हैं.
takes, yes, should be nice brown in color.
एंड दिस इज सो हेल्दी, राइट स्नेहा? मतलब
Yes.
एक और स्नेहा जी बोल रही हैं कि कुरकुरे फ्रॉम पास्ता, दैट इज सो नाइस. आई मीन दिस इज अ वंडरफुल रेसिपी. बच्चों को बाहर के चिप्स.
Store them in a container and you can use it for 2 weeks, till 2 or
2
3
weeks.
weeks.
अच्छा.
Yeah. To get a nice golden brown color.
अच्छा, कितने मिनट्स लगेंगे?
2 to 3 minutes.
अच्छा, वेरी नाइस. मीडियम फ्लेम पे इसको हमें
So this
देखिए.
is how it looks
हम्म.
once you have cooked, once you have fried them.
So
There's no preservatives in it.
in Indian weather, can we store it for 2 weeks?
Yes, of course you can store it. Because
And
here I'm storing it for 4 weeks, where it is extremely cold. You can store it in Indian weather too.
कोटिंग करके हमने इमीडिएटली डाल दिया है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू कीप इट लाइक आफ्टर. ये देखिए, द कुरकुरेज आर रेडी. आई थिंक स्नेहा जो आपने रेडीमेड बनाए हैं, यू कैन
Yes.
स्टोर in that as
Yes,
well.
sure. Yes, I'll just add these to them also and I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
And now this is ready. I'll add the seasoning to this. So here, I'll add the chaat masala to this. Amchur powder. And you can even make a chart of this if you want. You can add some onions and tomatoes and you can make a chart of this.
Chaat, kurkure chaat.
Yes.
That's a really nice recipe. That's really nice.
So I'll add a little of salt to this. A pinch of sugar powder. And this is turmeric. Yes, this is ready.
So आपने सारे मसाले मिक्स कर लिए?
Yes.
This is really looking so nice, Neha. That's really hats off to your creativity.
They are crunchy and very nice.
We can hear the sound also while you are chewing it.
Turmeric and salt will add a nice preservative.
Very nice, Neha. Thank you so much, Neha, for doing this lovely recipe. ये hard तो नहीं हो जाएंगे ना, Neha? This is another question which I
No. It doesn't. It become hard because you have already boiled it and you are then frying it, so it doesn't become hard. It will be in fact very light when you fry them.
Thanks a lot, Sneha.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Guys, please do love, like, and share this video. Show your appreciation to this wonderful super mom and super chef, Sneha Shurpali.